Do not sleep on these. We have new packaging for the big 3 kits and new packaging for the amplifier kits. Big 3 kits come in 1/0 and in 4 gauge. The amplifier kits come in 4 gauge, 8 gauge, and also 1/0 in green, blue, and red. So first of all, let's open up an amp kit. This is the 1/0 kit. Let's go ahead and open up and see what we got in here. We got some RCAs, obviously needed for your amp kit. We have a A&L style fuse holder with an A&L fuse inside. We got some grommets, some zip ties. We have power wire, remote wire, ground wire. And what we actually get in all of this package, so we get 16 feet of green 1/0, we get 2 feet of black 1/0 ground, 20 feet of 12 gauge CCA speaker wire, and all the RCAs and everything that you need to complete the amplifier kit. Say you choose the green, obviously you get the corresponding color power wire and speaker wire. And if you choose the blue, you'll get blue power wire and blue and black speaker wire. Sorry, box. You get blue power wire, blue speaker wire, everything matches. Same with the red, you'll get red speaker wire, red power wire. Let's do a 4 gauge amp kit. Check out this packaging first of all. These are sick. These are brand new packaging for 2024. This is how they come. This is how you'll get it. Grommets, zip ties, remote wire, power wire, ground wire. Whatever color you choose comes in the corresponding color power wire. Scott Delvec murdered all of these. Run, don't walk, new packaging for 2024. Premium series coming soon. I think that's it. I think I covered everything. See you next video, I guess.